Jai Gurudev. In this video, we are going to discuss the basic formula of area of plane figure such as square, rectangle, triangle, two types of triangles, parallelogram, trapezium, circle and semicircle. So, we will learn the basic formula and try to apply them with the values. I hope you will understand, and later on you can practice more problems from your textbook, similar problem from your textbook, and you will learn the topics very easily and effectively. This first figure is a square. In this square, all four sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. So, area of square is L into L. L is one of the side. Here it is 8. This adjacent side is also 8. This is 8 and this all side is 8. So, we will multiply any two adjacent side and get the value. So, 8 into 8 will give us 64 square unit. 8 is any unit, maybe centimeter, maybe meter, maybe some kilometer or so on. So, this will give you 64. L, 8 into 8, 8 is a 64. An area of rectangle, this is a rectangle figure. In this, length and width, or we can say breadth, are different, not equal, is in the case of square. Here, length is say 12 and breadth is 8 unit. 12 unit, 8 unit. Area of rectangle, length into 12 into 8, it is 96 square unit. Now, area of a triangle. This type of triangle is there where altitude is given to us and this is the base. This line is base and altitude perpendicular drawn from opposite vertex to this base line is taken as altitude. Now, area of triangle is equal to half base into altitude. So, we will first find the product of these two and then make it half. 12 nines are 108. Half means divided by 2. So 108 divided by 2 is 54 square unit. Here another type of triangle is there where altitude is not given, but we are given three sides of the triangle, length of the three sides of the triangle. This side is 16 unit, this is 15 unit, this is 11 unit. So we have to use this formula, area of a triangle, when three sides are given, then we will use this formula, root S in the bracket S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. It is known as zeros formula. Now, what is S? S is nothing but the sum of these three sides. This 11 plus this 15, 26 plus 16, 42. So, S is not 42, S by 2 is 42. So, we'll make it correction and we'll delete better. So, S will be equal to 21. 42, sum is equal to 42 and its value is, so we can put these values here in this formula and try to get the answer. It will be 78 square unit. Maybe some point difference is there because we have rounded up to the unit place. So there may be difference. You can calculate, but I certainly you will get this value, I hope. Now, area of trapezium. In trapezium, this side and this side is parallel. These two sides are parallel and perpendicular distance between the parallel side. Here distance between the parallel side. So from here we drop the perpendicular on this line segment SV, or this side SV, which is we used to call base, we can call base into altitude again. So half this sum, half of the sum of SV plus TU into H will, it is a capital H, so I can make it is capital H. So we'll put this value here and get this thing. So 14 plus 8, it is 22 divided by 2, that is 11. 11 into 6, that is 66 square unit. SV 14, TU 8, so their sum is 22, making it half, so it is 11 into H, that is 6. 11 into 6 is 66 square unit. Now here 12 unit, this is a parallelogram. Parallelogram, these sides are parallel, this is also, this pair is opposite sides are parallel and equal. They are equal. So here what we have to do, just side into altitude. We'll take the side, one side, and corresponding altitude. It should be altitude we have written simply, but it should be corresponding altitude, means between the side we are taking this, so this altitude we will take. If we consider this side, then from here we will drop perpendicular, and this we will consider in that case. So here it is 12, 6 altitude is 6, base side is 12, 12 6 72 square unit. So easily we can see and calculate by using this formula. Now this is clear circle, its radius is 5. So area of a circle is pi r square. The value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14, we can take approximate value, and r is here 5. So r square is 25 into this pi will multiply 3.14, 25 into 3.8, 78.5, it will be equal to 78.5 square unit, 5 unit. If you change the value, now it is 8 or 7, we can accordingly we can calculate the area of circle. This is say 6, so then 6 square is 36 into 3.14, we can do. It is 10 or something, so that way we can do. This is, we'll leave it here. Now area of a semicircle. Semicircle means half of the circle. This is diameter and this is a radius. It is also radius. All radius are equal. Here radius is 7. So half of pi r square. Half of pi r square, area of circle. So half of that will give us the area of semicircle. So here value of r is 7. So 7 square, that is 49. Then pi, the value of pi 22 by 7 we can take. 22 by 7 and this half means divided by 2. So 22 by 7 will change to 11 by 7 into 49. We can get the value of area of circle. In this way we have studied about the area of square, rectangle, triangle where altitude and base is given, and another type of triangle where 3 sides are given to us. Then trapezium, in this opposite side is parallel, other this a pair of opposite side is parallel, only a pair, and this is parallelogram. Both pair of opposite sides are parallel. So area of parallelogram, side into altitude, corresponding altitude. Now area of circle pi r square, area of semicircle half of the pi r square. So this is our simple formulas, and you, the student of class 5th to 10th, they are using these formulas. Of course, this circle formula will come, circle and semicircle, and this parallelogram trapezium will come in 788 class. But in 4 or 5 classes, this area of square and rectangle are there. I hope you have understood the concept of the area of plane figure as well as how to calculate the area. Now my best wishes to you. Please share it, like it and subscribe it if you are not done so far, and wait for the next video. I am uploading every day 1 or 2 videos on mathematics, especially for CBSE student. Jai Gurudev, Jai Mahasi.